I wanna do you like Michael. I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like born again, like song for you like this. You're over my hair.
Hey, welcome to H&N. I'm Ben Cardone.
And I'm Laura Marin, and please stand for the pledge to the flag.
Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You're not Max.
And you're not Dan, so this is kind of weird.
Attention all students attending winter formal. You must have your ID card to get into the dance. We are now using a scanning system for entry, so we must scan your ID card. This year's ID card, not a photo of your ID card, not your gym membership, because you can't find your ID card that you didn't really look for until 1 hour before you're supposed to leave for the dance. So yeah, you must have this year's ID card that is scannable. Your real honest ID card. That was written really weird. Bring your ID card to the dance so you can get it.
Yeah. Okay, support LHHS Cheer by buying a fancy custom corsage or boutonniere for winter formal. Call Finishing Touches at 433-2950. Just $30 for corsages and $10 for boutonnieres. Call 433-2950 and place your order today. But wait, there's more.
Mr. Bodie will be set up at a table in the quad Wednesday and Thursday and Friday during snack with information on a study abroad summer program for high school students. So if you're interested, please check that out.
That's pretty cool. If you are sick, do not call your parent to come and get you. You must go to the health office and we will call your parent. Not me, but the office.
The Doctor Who Club. The Doctor Who Club will meet Thursday at lunch in room 505. What exciting episode will we watch next? The decision will be made Thursday.
The season of love is approaching, Hawks. It's time to spread the love here on campus by sending Valentine Grams to your best friends, favorite teachers, or that special someone. For those of you who don't know, Valentine Grams are 30-second love songs sung by your very own LHHS Chamber Choir that will be delivered to whomever you choose. Valentine Grams will be sold at Snack and Lunch and all this week and next week. $3 for a song and $5 for a song with a flower. All proceeds will go towards the LHHS Choral Music Program.
Attention all gentlemen Hawks. The LHHS Choral Music Department would like to proudly announce the formation of the LHHS Men's Choir. Please don't be shy. Come and audition for the Men's Choir. Even if you think you aren't a good singer, trust us. Just being in the class will make you a better singer. It's a great way to meet new people and to fulfill your art requirement for graduation. Audition dates will be announced soon, so if you like to sing and you're looking for a fun club for the second semester, you can find a sign-up sheet on the door of the choir room.
Dodgeball sign-ups are starting next Wednesday, so that is
Dodgeball is coming right around the
so
corner.
much fun. Make sure you get your team together, sign up.
Yeah, we have a special, and we're going to do that right now.
Hey Hawks, girls basketball has a game tonight at 7 against St. Clemente in the main gym, so come out and support us.
Our senior night is on Monday at 7 against Aliso, so make sure you come.
Support us.
Alright, so, am I in frame? Alright, here's those freaking people. Get out, I'm filming. Get out, I'm filming. Alright, get out of here. So here are, I guess 3 or 1 good reason why you should watch LHC. Okay. Am I still in frame? You ready?
Okay, so we're from One, there's a meeting today at lunch.
And then tomorrow after school, we're gonna be selling root beer floats, so come.
Okay, Ben, it's that time of the day.
Yeah, I got a joke for you, Lauren.
Okay.
So, Lauren, tell me, what did Timon tell Simba to do when he was losing the race?
What did Timon tell Simba when he was losing the race?
He told him to Mufasa. Mufasa.
Come on, you guys, that was good. Yes.
Lion King, that's the best Disney movie in my
yes.
opinion.
For sure, I love Lion King.
But that's it for today. Tomorrow is the best day of the week. Right?
Yes,
and
it
as
is.
always,
Go
go
Hawks.
Hawks.